Today, I would like to talk about disorganized attachment when love feels unsafe. I'm Fawzia Shah, licensed clinical social worker. After a long break due to working on my book on complex PTSD, I am back to share my 40 plus years of experience in practice in mental health and substance abuse. Let me tell you about someone I will call Alex. Alex wants closeness deeply, but the moment someone gets close, Alex freezes. Heart racing, mind shuts down, trust disappears. Alex isn't unstable. Alex isn't dramatic. Alex has disorganized attachment style. And most people don't know this. This is real. The studied patterns of disorganized attachment is the most painful attachment style because it pulls you in two directions. Opposite directions, meaning the push and the pull. You crave the connection, but the connection also feels dangerous. You want love, yet your body reacts with fear, confusion, or shutdown. This pattern usually begins early in life when the same caregiver was both a source of comfort and a source of fear or unpredictability. They provided a very frightening experience, so the child never learned one clear rule for safety. This is not theory, it's grounded in attachment science. The term disorganized attachment was formally identified in 1986 by Dr. Mary Mann and Dr. Judith Solomon at the University of California, Berkeley. As part of the strange situation attachment studies originally developed by Mary Ainsworth. This research showed that some infants displayed contradictory, confused, or frozen behaviors when reunited with their caregivers, approaching, then stopping, seeking comfort, then avoiding it. It's the push and the pull. Later longitudinal studies confirmed that disorganized attachment is strongly associated with early trauma or neglect. Frightened or emotionally overwhelmed caregivers, unresolved traumas. A major review published in Development and Psychopathology by Lyons and Ruth, 1999, linked disorganized attachment to difficulties with emotional regulation, identity, and relationships later in life. Neuroscience helps explain why this feels so intense. Research by Alan Schor, I hope I pronounced it correctly, found that trauma disrupts the development of the brain's regulation system, especially communication between the amygdala, the threat detection, and the prefrontal cortex, calm reasoning. So closeness triggers both bonding and threat, response at the same time. This is not a choice, that's survival, it's the wiring. If this feels personal, hear this clearly. You're not broken. You adapted to an unsafe environment. And research is very clear on one thing. Attachment patterns are not permanent. Yes, they're not permanent. With safety, consistency, and therapy, the nervous system can relearn trust. Share this if it resonates. Someone out there you think that they're too much or hard to love, you may want to share this video with them. I hope you found this to be helpful, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.